Welcome everyone. I'm Monisha Bhatia. I'm a tarot card reader, astrologer, numerologist, palmist, and a healer. I'm here with you to present before you the tarot cards reading for the month of October 2020 for all the sun signs starting from Aries up till Pisces. So before I begin with the readings, I would request you to connect with your angel guides along with me. We'll keep silence for a couple of seconds and then I'll pull out the cards. So now let's close our eyes and connect with our angel guides. Now first I'll pull out the cards for the sign of Aries. So now let's see what are the three important areas of your life which you will experience in the month of October. So the cards are the morality card, fighting card, and the experiencing card. So first of all, you are having lots of fears and doubts and lots of rigidness in your mind which you will be fighting through this month. And those of you who are in their jobs or in their businesses will be able to experience lots of happiness and lots of good things related to their work. So work wise there is no tension, but on other areas of your life you will have to fight against lots of stubborn feeling, lots of fixed feelings which you have been having in your mind so far, and you have to come out of those fears, those inhibitions which are not helping you go in any direction. So you have to fight against your inhibitions, your insecurities, and after that you will be able to get good results. So this month focus on those areas which are stopping you from showing your right self to the world, and only after that you will be able to experience the right amount of happiness. So friends, now let's pull out the three cards for the sign of Taurus. So these are the three cards for you. So the cards are going with the flow, breakthrough, and the success card. So this is a very positive month for you. You will be very happy with the progress of things which are happening. So you will go with the flow in the positive direction. And some of you who have been expecting some rewards or results will be very happy with the progress that you make, and you will be able to march ahead in this month very successfully. So there are achievements, there is progress, and there is breakthrough. Those of you who have been feeling stuck will get the right solution to feel themselves quite elevated. So this is a very positive month for you. Now let's pull out the three cards for the sign of Gemini. So this month is saying that you will exhaust yourself by overburdening with lots of work. So the need of the month is to get some relief, because over exhaustion can be harmful for your health. So first of all, plan some rest or resting time for yourself, and at the same time there are lots of things which are happening around you which could cause little bit of disturbance in your mind. But the cards are saying that as the center of the storm is always peaceful, so should you be. So if you remain peaceful amidst lots of disturbances which is going to happen around you, or lots of major transitions which are happening around you, you will be able to sail through positively and you will be able to stay happy. So the cards are also saying that with maturity, with wisdom, you will be able to turn this month into lots of positivity. So stay wise, stay calm. This is the guidance for you for this month. Now let's pull out the cards for the sign of Cancer. So these are the cards: comparison card, projection card, and aloneness card, which means that you should not be comparing your condition with those people who are having no comparison with you, because everybody's situation is different than yours. So you should never take the liberty of comparing yourself or your situation with the others around you, because this will only give you stress and disturbance in your mind. Now the next card is saying those of you who have been going through bad relationships are required to make themselves positive in their thought process, because the other person is going to be just like you. If you are going to be positive, the other person is also going to project the same thing to you, and if you are going to be negative, expect more negativity coming from the person who is closely associated with you. Now the other card is also saying that you have a tendency to stay happy with your aloneness. So the need of the hour is the areas which gives you peace should be left the way they are, and you should not try to bring other people into those areas of your life, because they will only cause disturbance. If you feel that by being alone, by being distant from the other people, you can achieve happiness, then that is the right guidance for you. So you have to decide your happiness quotient and work on that, and the things will work accordingly. So friends, this was up till the sign of Cancer. Now let's pull out the cards for the sign of Leo. For the Leo signs, I see that the first card is the rebirth card, which means that this month you will be able to come out of your shell, and you will be able to give the best shot to the world. And here, whatever inhibitions you were experiencing so far, you will be able to get over those inhibitions, and you will be able to make a mark in the way to progress. Now the next card is the control card. So do not try to control yourself, or do not try to control other people around you, because the more you keep a control on the other people, the more disappointed you will feel. So let things loose, whether it is associated with your own self or with the people who are closely connected to you. Only then they will be able to experience happiness and give them back to you. Next card is the Fool card. So you should be able to take up risks and explore the areas which seems to be promising for you, even though you have not tried those areas. So adventure is the mantra for you, and taking up risks is the mantra for you in this month, because eventually everything will be positive in its outcome. So now let's pull out the cards for the sign of Virgo. So the three cards which I have pulled up are the laziness card, the lovers card, and the possibilities card. This month you will feel relaxed in your approach, and you are not willing to do much about the things where you need to put in your efforts. So basically you are going to have a relaxed approach this month, and the areas of your personal lives or the areas of your businesses, your partnerships, will require you to see or to look out for some possibilities to give you that amount of happiness which you have been wanting to have so far. So basically you will be looking out for some partnership proposals, or to connect with somebody special at a very important level. So here you are going to look out for those opportunities, and those of you who have been wanting to change jobs will also be on a lookout for the right kind of job. So this is a month of search for you and contentment on various other areas of your life. So friends, let's pull out the cards for the sign of Libra. So the three cards which I have pulled out are the Sorrow card, the Courage card, and the Inner Voice. So these cards are saying that you have got all the potential within you, but despite the fact you have been looking at others for happiness, others for guidance. So the cards are saying that with the right amount of patience and with the right amount of inner guidance, you can do wonders. So do not be disappointed about the things which you have not achieved so far, because you have to look for inner guidance and you will be able to turn the month in a progressive direction. Things will work positively. All you have to do is have belief in yourself and look for inner guidance rather than depending upon others for their support or for their guidance, and you will come out victorious. So friends, let's pull out the cards for the sign of Scorpio. So the three cards which I have pulled out are the first card is saying that you have to let go of the things which have been troubling you so far, which have been emotionally disappointing for you. So only then you can move ahead positively in the right direction. And you have been also postponing various other areas of your life which can turn out to be very fruitful, but because you were having doubts in your mind, you have been postponing very important areas of your life. And the card is assuring that once you let go of the negative emotions, sorrowful emotions, and stop postponing things, you will be able to get good results in this month, because the ripeness card says that the results are there waiting for you. You have to get rid of your emotional burdens and your mental burdens which you have been keeping in your mind. So friends, now let's pull out the cards for the sign of Sagittarius. So these are three wonderful cards which I have pulled out. First card is saying that you will be able to connect with a large group of people from different domains of the society. So here lots of networking is happening for you, and there is also healing happening. So lately you have been feeling very disturbed, very emotionally you have been feeling very disturbed and a bit unsatisfied over various areas of your life. But this month you will go through that healing, and it will be a month of warmth for you, a month of happiness for you. And also the cards are saying that if you keep patience, if you do not worry, if you stay away from negative thoughts, eventually this month ends up on a very positive note. So try to be patient and matured in your approach, and you will see lots of healings, lots of positivity happening by the end of this month. So friends, let's pull out the cards for the sign of Capricorn. So the three cards which I have pulled out, first card is giving you indication for celebrations. So you will get to celebrate with your friends, and those of you who have been having some inhibitions about showing your true potential to the world will be able to bring it out very successfully, and people will appreciate you and applaud you for the abilities that you are having. And this month gives you lots of enjoyment in terms of your friends or in terms of connecting with people. Now the last card is saying that you also tend to worry a lot about unnecessary things which are taking you nowhere. Because see, the mind, whenever it is filled up with unnecessary thoughts, it will only slow down your potential, it will only slow down your progress. So this month you have to work on clearing the clutter in your mind, and once you clear it off, you will see lots of progress happening. Already it is there, but you have to also declutter your mind of all the trash, of all the unnecessary things which have been halting your progress so far. So friends, now let's pull out the cards for the sign of Aquarius. So the three cards are the burden card, transformation, and the participation card. So this card says that this month you will see a very positive transformation happening, and so far you have been wanting to be ambitious and wanting to get success, but you have not seen the results. But in this month there is some major transformation, major change which is happening around you. Here you also tend to take the support of your family members, or there is a group support which can happen and which can bring in the desired amount of transformation. So stay away from the burdens that you have been having in your minds and doubts about your progress, because once you connect with the important people around you, you will see a breakthrough, you will see a transformation which will be very good for you. So friends, these are the cards up till the sign of Aquarius. Now let's pull out the cards for the sign of Pisces. So the three cards are the awareness card, connection card, and the conditioning card. These cards are saying that this month you will go through inner awakening. So the things which have not been clear to you so far will awaken your inner intelligence. So you will get the right ideas about how the things are working. So you get to know lots of insights about important things which have been there around you, about which you have been wanting clarity but not been able to get so far. And you will be able to complete lots of important things which have been demanding your completion. So there is closure on various regards, and there is completion of various projects which have been running on up till now, and you have to come out of your conditioning. So this month also develops you to show your true potential and come out of that conditioning with which you have been brought up so far, and you will break down those beliefs and you will realize that things are much better than what you have been taught so far. So friends, these were the cards up till the sign of Pisces. I hope you must have connected with the readings. So please do like, subscribe, and share my video so that I can bring up more meaningful videos for you in the coming months. So friends, I want to thank you all for listening. Have a good day.